At night aligns all the shady features in all our empty worlds. Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts. But I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. We all behold how our fates are growing, and when we come to life. And I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. Tonight I wanna hide away, and I can feel us flowing. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. Get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, get my heart in trouble.
And you know when I was walking back from that night in your room, and I felt like you were waiting there.
The thing is, we want each other to communicate without language by anything you can. You know, like by your body language, by understanding others, like that. So I think for today I have a lot of learnings, and I feel like, okay, now I can understand. I try to understand what's going on in this work camp. Yeah. And I know these days we have really like hard times. Yeah. But also we have a lot of good times. Yeah. So this hard time and good time, when you go back to Taiwan, I believe there's something that you can help you to have in your future, have more choices or more things to think.
I know I may disappoint you, love, but you can count on me until the end. It takes me time to figure things, and you, my dear, I've never figured out. And all my fear and loneliness, my heart never had a doubt. And I know the way I feel. Yes, I love the way I feel. asylum. The way